We're going to be doing the Overlook Trail at the Royal Gorge. We have made it to one of the overlook spots. You can see the river down there and the train track. Beautiful up here. Another view of the gorge. So pretty. You can see way back in there some snow-capped mountains. Some sort of sticker bush, aren't they?
That's what
Yeah.
they're called?
I don't know. It doesn't really look like a cactus.
Nope, not at all. Oh, what is that? Caterpillars might eat that.
I bet the deer love that.
And caterpillars, I see holes on them.
This trail has been so nice. It's cooler up here than it is down in the city. And it's nice and shaded. So we're going straight here at the fork. It's supposed to make a big loop. So we should come back to that spot. What did you find?
It's a dragon.
It's a dragon?
Yeah, it's a dragon.
So we've just come up on half a mile. Look at these views. I don't know if you can tell or not, but that's the gorge down there. It's down there, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like you can walk down there. This is neat. What was it? Snake holes. Armadillos? You think armadillos are up here? Got your stick out, just in case. Major drop off right here. Yeah, don't jump off for sure. You want me to hold you? You want me to hold you?
Yeah.
Found ya! There they are.
Yay.
Another overlook spot. Trying to get down down all these rocks. You can hear the train. It just passed us. I don't know that I can get down here. We found this trail. It kind of split off the trail that we were on. It looks like it's a little bit on the difficult side. It takes you to like an overlook spot closer to the gorge. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get down these rocks. Okay, I made it. What was down there?
Cliff.
A cliff?
Right on there.
Big cliff? Let's see where it goes.
Gigantic.
Oh, you can see the bridge from here. How cool. There's the bridge down there. Oh, wow. How neat is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is way down there. We are up here, aren't we?
I want to go
wow.
back to them. I'm worried.
Looks like we've got some rain coming. It's also getting really hot and our water is running low, so we turned around at 1 mile. One mile seems to be our magic number for trails.
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.